Yeah, good evening. In the last videos, we have seen very clearly about okay, so some recursive related programs with respect to strings. Like we have seen how you can able to reverse the given string by using recursion. Okay, sir, here our main agenda is nothing but we are finding the last character. Okay, we are finding that last character, or we are finding that first character, and we are pushing that character into stack. Next, from the next character onwards, you can do this reverse process. So there, what will happen? So excluding this character, rest of the characters will be passed. Okay. Again, from that, we are fetching either first character or last character. Next, we have to move forward. Like this, we have to do recursively, sir. So until your string object will become null, definitely it is not possible. So if your length will become 1, then we are going to return that last character. Suppose the string which you have given is an empty reference, you will get that null itself. For that, this will act as a base condition. Okay, so this is nothing but what we have seen. So with respect to this char at method, today we are going to solve few more programs. Like here, implement a program to remove the given character from the given string. Sir, how we can able to do this activity? Same like whatever concept we have taken in the previous example. Suppose if you have ax bx, okay, if you have ax bx, then what we are going to do? Sir, we are going to call this function. Okay, we are going to call this function. So by following this, by passing this index, sir, what is the first index that we have here? Maybe consider I am going to pass this value. Like this is 0th location, first location, second location, third location. Sir, if you pass this one, sir, what will happen? Sir, is the data is X or not? Yes, if the data is X, you are not going to do anything. You are passing this as a new string, so that your new string will become AXB and index values are 0, 1. Now take the last character, that is nothing but B. Is it a X? No. Then push it into the stack. Okay. Sir, then again call recursively this part. Sir, now your new string will become AX. It will become 0th location, first location. Sir, is this character is X or not? Yes. Don't push it into the stack. Now we have to take this one. So next new string will become A, which we have only 0 characters. Sir, is your length is less than 1 or not? I mean, is the length is index value is less than 0 or not? No. Then we have to take 0th location. Is it X? No. Push it into the stack. Then your index value will become -1. If your index value will become -1, then stop this process because this will become base condition. Now pop the entries which are there from your stack. Sir, once if you pop, what is the first object, first element? A. Then next element is B. So this is nothing but our resultant string after removing, okay, this particular character called X. Just for our convenient purpose, I have taken the character called X. If you want, you can take anything. Okay, this is nothing but what we have. Already, I think I explained the logic in the last class itself. Now we will see how we can able to implement this. Okay, sir, shall we implement the program? Please confirm. Shall we implement the program? Please confirm. Yes, sir. Don't sleep in the class. Right, sir. So now I am taking string s is equal to, let me take any string obj dot next line. So if you want, you can ask the user also for getting the string. Like sir, system dot out dot, so println of yes, yes, correct. So system dot out dot println, then so enter any string, like this I am asking. Okay. Now, sir, which function we have to call? System dot out dot println of maybe consider in the demo class, I am going to use the function called nox. Nox is the function name. Okay. Sir, we have to pass the given string at the same time index also. What is the index? s dot length minus 1. Okay, suppose if your s is ax bx, so length is what? 4, right? 4 minus 1 means 3. So total third index we are going to get. This is 0th index, first index, second index, third index. So from this, the iteration is going to be happen. What about the function? Sir, here static return type is a string. What is the function name that we have taken? No x. Okay, sir, which is having string s and then integer index value. Sir, by mistake, if your index value is less than 0, then what we have to do, sir? You need to return an empty string so that it will be useful at the time of concatenation purpose. Okay, else we need to check one condition, otherwise better I will go with one more if. Okay, sir, if s dot char at s dot char at of index, if that index located character is equal to x means one case. What is that case? Simply we have to call no x function by taking s. So what we have to take about index value? Sir, index minus 1. You have to ignore that character, move to the previous character. That is the concept. Sir, if that character is not x, then what we have to do? We need to consider that character. Sir, anyway, I'm going to call the same recursive function, but whatever character is located at this index, I'm going to push it into the stack. That is the only activity what we are doing. Sir, this one is nothing but I can say base condition. Okay, and this one is nothing but recursive condition 1. What is this recursive condition? If the character is x, that means that is we have to remove this. We have to remove this. That's why we are calling recursion and ignoring character. Sir, what about in this case? It is nothing but recursive condition 2. Sir, if the character is not x, okay, sir, then what we have to do? That is, so it should be stored. Okay, it should be stored, not removed. It should be stored. Sir, here we are going to do two activities. One is nothing but recursion we are calling, and we are going to store that character in stack. That's all, sir. Nothing more than this. I think this program is going to work. Let me cross check really is it happening or not. Okay. So let me compile the code java c test.java. Okay. Right, code compiles fine. And if you run the program, sir, it is waiting for string. Consider I am giving ABCD. Sir, as it is, we are getting. Yes, because we don't have any X characters here. So AX, BCD I am taking. Sir, is X is removed or not? Yes. Sir, now I am taking AX, BX, CD. Sir, is X got removed or not? Yes. AX, BX, okay, CX, DX, like this I am taking. Sir, all the X characters got removed from this string. So this is nothing but what we can able to say, how we can able to implement this program. I think explanation is not required, but anyway, some students may required. That's why just I will take paint and I will explain that part alone by taking maybe one test case. Okay, just have a look once how it is going to work. Right. Pradeep, he is asking one question at line number 12. Okay, what is his question is? So line number 12, the program executes from right to left. Then how simultaneously, how it is making a recursive call for storing 0th location value in the stack. Listen carefully. Sir, when you are making a call, at that line that string is there. Once if these values are passed, then only S will be replaced with this S. Then only index value will be replaced with this index. Are you getting my point? So we are not changing S. We are making the use of index minus 1. That value will be replaced here. That index won't be modified. Pradeep, Gaikwad, see, please make sure that you should have a knowledge in programming background. Maybe you people are going to feel that index minus 1 means here we are reducing the index value. Then what is your, okay, first see the example, then you will get clarity. After that you can ask your query. Sir, have a look once. Let me take one example here. I'm going to take the value of a string as something like ax bx. Just for example sake, I'm taking only, sir, this length. Sir, what about length? What about length? Length is nothing but 4 characters. So at the time of calling, we are going to pass no x comma, sir, string and then 4 minus 1, that is 3. Listen carefully. Now index value is nothing but 3. Okay, is this is less than 0? No. Sir, s dot char at of index in third location 0 1 2 3. In third location, do we have x? Yes, we have. Then return. I am calling the function. Here I am not storing anything in the stack. Immediately the control will go to the next function call. Sir, in this what will happen? So we are going to copy index value as a, what, sir? Your index will become 3 minus 1. Sir, no x of s comma 3 minus 1 means 2. Sir, now index value will become 2, sir. Sir, is this is less than 0? No. Char at of second location. In second location, we have b, which is not equal to x. That means this return won't be happened. It will come to else. In the else, what we are doing? So we are calling this function recursively. Okay, we are calling this function recursively. So the control will goes to the next call. But before that, this entry will be stored in the stack or not, because it is an expression. It is an expression. After execution of this expression only the method call will be takes place. But where this expression will be stored? It will be stored in the stack. Why? Because it is not going to evaluate directly. Suppose if the formula is a plus b, we can substitute the values and we can evaluate. But here a is recursive means what? It is going to keep on calling. It is going to keep on calling. This value is, this function is going to return something. This function is going to return something. This function is going to return something. That returned value we have to add to b. Meanwhile, where you have to store this b? That's why stack mechanism is there in recursion. Okay, sir, in this example, so this particular temporary instruction, that is temporary value, will be stored inside a stack. Yes dot. In this line, what is the yes, sir? Ax bx. Index value is what? 2. In second location, what character is there? B. That will be pushed. Now this recursion is going to be called index value. Now the index value will become, sir, 2 minus 1, which is nothing but 1. In first location, which character is there? X. Again this condition satisfied, we are going to call again. So we are not storing anything in the stack. Okay, here if you have anything, then it will be stored in the stack. We are not going to store. Sir, it is going to call index minus 1. That is nothing but yeah, it is x index minus 1. Now your index value will become 0. So is 0 is less than 0? No. Sir, in 0th location, is there x? Then so index of this value, but anyway that index value will be pushed into the stack. So later when it is calling second time function, so what will be your index value? Your index value will become 0 minus 1, that is nothing but minus 1. Sir, is it less than 0 or not? Yes, that's why it is going to return empty character. Sir, this is nothing but what I told. Empty character, empty character, empty character, empty character. That empty character will be added for every iteration, whatever value we got. Okay, at the first last iteration, sir, what is the value that we got? A. A is a character, this is empty string. So your result will become a string. That is added with the next call. That is nothing but p. Sir, is it is it a string or not? Yes, this one is a character. So string plus character will become string. This is nothing but the result what we have. Okay, I think you got very clear clarity about this, sir. Okay, can you please confirm? Do you have any doubts up to this? If you are not using any return statement, then it is going to make infinite calls. If you are not using second condition, infinite calls will be happen. So because if you are getting b, right? So in this b, we are going to store that b. If you are not calling like this, what will happen? I think the program is going to terminate here itself. We are not going to get rest of the characters. Only b will be printed. Clear? Pradeep, I think your doubt got clarified. Sir, I request everyone to please confirm. Is it clear? No, no, no. Pradeep, that's what you have to think. It is going to be happened. See, if you are calling someone, that someone is going to call someone, that someone is going to ask someone. Something like if you are coming from college background, you can able to see. So principal is going to ask, what is this student mobile number? That principal is going to, principal is not asking directly student. He will ask a HOD, head of the department. That head of the department is going to ask a concerned class teacher. That a class teacher is going to ask a representative. That representative is going to ask a student. Student is going to give reply for representative, not for principal. Whatever result you got, that will be carry forwarded to this particular class teacher. That will be carry forwarded to head of the department. That will be carry forwarded to principal. In the same way, sir, here it is happening. Okay. If we call the function without return, what will happen? See, return is mandatory, sir, because we have to get the result at last, right, to terminate the program. Okay. Right. Right. So this program number is which count, sir? Anyone remembered? 1 minute. 15th program. So this is nothing but a 15th program what we have done. Sir, at least you got some idea about this recursion or not? Can you please confirm with these many examples? You got some idea or not? Can you please confirm? Now, I think you are in a position to write at least 50% of recursive programs, right? Yeah, Towers of Hana is also there. Recursion is not ended. Another 2 days I am going to spend. Today, completely string related programs we are going to solve. Yes, that's all. Yeah. Searching and sorting is huge topic. This is a small topic only. Arrays, linked list, these are small topics. Trees, searching and sorting, these topics are very big topics. Yeah. From the next week, please prepare. Okay. Next week, please be prepared for attending the classes extra. Okay. Like maybe Saturday or Sunday, I'm going to plan. Okay. Yes. See, first, if you solve small programs, automatically you can able to solve big programs. Okay. Now, sir, one more program I'm going to take here related to the string only. Yeah, after completion of this, I'm planning for arrays topic. It is a easy topic only. I think everyone can able to understand. That's why. So I'm going to plan for 2 to 3 days introduction, how to create all these things. But once if programming concept came, like how you can able to insert the data, how to perform update operation, all these things. So we are going to spend one Saturday. Okay. So after that, we are going to deal with the searching and sortings. Right. So let's go to the next program on recursion, which is nothing but the 16th program. Okay. Sir, what is this 16th program here? Is listen carefully. Sir, here we have given a string. Okay. Implement a program. Implement a program. Okay. So implement a program to replace, to add, okay, to add, otherwise implement a program to return a new string, to return a new string, sir, where all the digits, okay, all the adjacent, okay, all the adjacent characters are separated by a star. Okay, separated by a star. I will take one example, then you people will get a clarity. So I want to implement a program, so to return a new string where all the adjacent characters are separated by star. For example, if I am giving input as a hello, okay, if I am giving input as a hello, the output what I am expecting is sir H star, E star, L star, L, okay, star, oh, like this. For example, if your string is ABC, then I want to replace like this, sir A star, B star, C. Okay, so if I have AB, then I am expecting, sir, what is the result? So A star B, like this. Just we have to add stars in between the characters. I think no need to talk about this program, sir, because you know very well whatever program we have done previously, same thing, right? So same thing, this recursive function as it is we have to take. But the only modification what we have to do, I will write, sir. Listen carefully. Static string, sir, maybe, sir, I'm going to take a new string, new yes. Sir, we have to receive only string, right? And maybe the length of the string. Maybe let us consider n. Okay, sir, what is the base condition? What is the base condition? Sir, if the length of the string is, if the length of the string is less than 1, less than 1, that means what? If it is not having any characters, just we have to return something. Okay, sir, what we have to return, that part I will write later, keep it as x. Sir, next term, what is the next condition? Okay, what is the next condition? Otherwise directly we can return the result. So I want to frame a new string here. Any filtration is required? No, just we have to store the result in stack. But how many values we have to store? One is a recursive call, second one is nothing but we have to append star. What is the third one? We know formula, s dot char at of that index value. Maybe I can able to take this one as a index, sir. Better you won't get any confusion. So let us keep it as index. Okay. So I am going to find out that index. For example, if the given character is AB, sir, I request everyone to please switch off your video modes. Uh, Sharad Sharma. Sharad Sharma, can you please switch off your video? Yeah, I turned off. So now here you can able to see, sir, what is happening? For example, if I am giving ABC, so then, sir, what is the last character? C. So while pushing this C, in addition to C, try to push a star also, right? These are the two things. So if I want to push B, next to push B and then push a star also. Sir, next we have to take A. Sir, we have to take A. Okay, that's all, right? So if index value is less than 1, we are going to return only that particular character. Okay, we have to return only that particular character. Now what will happen? Sir, A star B star C we are going to get like this. Excluding first character, for remaining all the characters, you have to add this one. Now, what about this replacement is nothing but now a big question what we have. Okay, don't worry, I will substitute. Sir, here new string, we have to pass that string as it is, and I am going to take that index value -1, because we know very well, right? We have to substitute that index value with one value -1. Sir, what about this one? Suppose if you got index value as a 1 or 0, then we have to return only first character. But in our previous cases, we are returning empty, but here we should not return empty. Okay, only first character alone you have to return. Okay, sir, how you can able to return? Maybe if you take s dot char at of index, will it works or not? Yes, let me check whether it is going to work or not. Okay, that's all, very simple, right? This we have to substitute, sir. Let me substitute this one. Okay, now, sir, enter any string. Just I am going to pass that string, and that string less than -1. Suppose if I am giving ABC, what is my expected answer? A star B star C. Let me check, is it going to work or not? Yeah, function name we have to change, sorry. Yeah, now let us compile the program. If any mistakes are there, we can overcome that. Okay, so char cannot be converted to string. Have you observed here? So the expected type is what, sir? Return type is what? A string. So here anyway we are getting string, but here we are getting character. Sir, we can solve this in two ways. The first way is nothing but let us append empty character. Okay, let us append empty character, I mean empty string, so that you can achieve your target. What is another way? Sir, you can replace this. You can replace this by taking s dot substring. So starting from 0th location to index plus 1. For example, if your string is ABC, we know that sir, C value is pushed here, star is pushed here, B value is pushed here, star is pushed here. 0th sorry, sir, this is second location, first location, 0th location. Whenever index value is equal to 0, there only we are getting the problem. Sir, this is my S string. So can you please substring of 0th location to index value is what? 0, right? 0 plus 1 means 1. So substring of 0 comma 1 means starting from 0th location to 1 minus 0. That means it is going to return this character in the form of a string. Like this we can take. Now also it will work, sir. Let me execute. Let me execute. Sir, now I am taking A, B, C, D, E, F. Sir, A, B, C, D, E, F. Like this we are getting. Okay, I think no need to talk much about this. I think you got very clear clarity about this program, and even we executed, we got expected output, and the output which we got both are same, sir. I think with this you got some idea also. So what is the importance of empty double quotations in our previous program, and how you can able to convert a character into string? There are two mechanisms. One is by appending with empty string. Second one, you can apply substring concept. Okay, so if you are asking substring, in that substring, if it is returning single character also, it will be written in the form of substring, because because it will be written in the form of string, because sir, substring method return type is a string only. Okay, I think you got very clear clarity, sir. Okay, sir, please confirm. Do you have any doubts? Yeah, Pradeep, correct. Ajit, two string method is not required. Okay, if you want, you can use that also. Yes, typecasting, correct. Sir, clear up to this? Please confirm everyone. If we put a star at the end, what will happen? Sir, in this style, the data is written into the stack. First character followed by star. If you remove these and if you place a star at the end, what will happen? First star will be appended. Okay, first star will be appended. Okay. Now see ABC I am taking. Sir, AB star C star C star like this. Okay. Ajit. Yeah, Ajit Neeraj. Clear, right? Sorry. Who asked this doubt? Rohit. Got the clarity? Right. Sir, now same sort of program. One more program I want to demonstrate for you people. Same sort of program. Sir, implement a program. Okay, implement a program. Okay. Sir, to return a new string. To return a new string. Sir, where identical characters are, okay, so identical adjacent characters are, okay, separated by star. So we should not separate every character. So you need to identify the adjacent characters and you have to replace. Let me take example. Sir, if I have ABC, sir, you need to get output ABC only, because adjacent characters are not there. If you take hello, my expected output is what, sir? HEL star LO. That means if any adjacent same characters, identical characters are there, in between this we have to take star. Okay, suppose if you have XXYY, sir, what we have to do? Sir, X star X, so Y star Y, like this, because these two are identical characters, replaced with middle, separated with star. These two are not identical. That's why no star between these. These two are identical. That's why we have stars here. Okay. So how you can able to do this? Sir, is it the same program or not? Yes, same program. The only modification is nothing, but I think this one we should not disturb. Same thing. Okay. The only modification is nothing, but you need to write some other code, sir. Okay. Yes, correct, Pradeep. Sir, what we have to do? If index is less than 1, then same process. Sir, one more condition we have to check. Sir, if s dot, sorry, if s dot char at of index, whatever we have, okay, otherwise index minus 1 is double equal to s dot char at of index. So whatever index value that you are passing, so in that position, some value will be there, right? That value previous to that value. If these two are same, okay, if these two are same, then what we have to do? Return. We have to call anyway new string. Okay, new string. Sir, by passing s comma index minus 1. This won't be disturbed. Okay, this won't be disturbed. Plus you need to add star plus s dot char at of index. That value we have to capture. Sir, else. Otherwise, what we have to do? Sir, I think if characters are not identical, no need to use this star, right? Directly we can call. Okay, directly we can call. No need to use any star here. Now, let me replace this. Sir, only thing what I have done is nothing but instead of single condition, I replace it with two conditions. That's all. Nothing more than this. But let me check really is it working or not. Okay. Sir, now I am executing the program. Sir, I am giving ABC. Sir, is there any change in the string? No. Sir, I am giving ABBC. Sir, is there any change? Yes. I am giving hello. Sir, is there any change? Yes. Sir, now I am giving AA. Sir, BBCC. Sir, is there any change? Yes. Okay. So I think you got very clear clarity how you can able to twist these kind of programs. Okay. Sir, any doubts up to this? Please confirm everyone. Any doubts up to this? Right, sir. So the next one, okay, remove identical characters by using the program. Don't worry, we will see all such type of programs. Okay. Is it possible or not possible by using recursion? First, we have to analyze. Okay. Right. So the next one, don't worry, I will take. Sir, the next one, sir, given a string, we have to implement a program. Implement a program. Okay. Sir, to return. Okay. Implement a program. Sir, to return true. Okay. So a string, if a string contains, or if a string nesting of zero or more pairs of these parentheses. Okay, sir, we have to return true if your string contains zero or more pairs of this open and closed parentheses. Like if you have like this, then we have to return true. Sir, no, nesting is also required, right? Yes, nesting is required. Okay, no problem. Zero also is there. Suppose if you have like this, then we have to return nesting. Okay, suppose if you have like this, okay, sir, if you have like this, then we have to return false, something like parenthesis balancing only. Okay, sir, how you can able to do this? Sir, it is also very simple based on the same previous logic one. Okay, but here a small twist will be there, except that nothing. Directly I will implement the program. Listen carefully. Sir, new string. First I am going to take a string and two indexes is required for me. One is nothing but integer I, second one is nothing but integer t. Two indexes are required. Suppose if the value of I is greater than j, then I'm going to return false. Sorry, I'm going to return true. Okay, sir, now I have to check first condition. What is the first condition? Array boss, whatever character is located at I is equal to, sir, open parenthesis means, okay, whatever character located at I is open parenthesis, and the character which is located at jth location is equal to, sir, closed parenthesis means, then it is a valid or not? Yes, then we have to return the same function we are calling by passing same string I plus plus. Better to take I minus 1, okay, sorry, I plus 1 and then j minus 1. That means lower value we are incrementing, higher value we are decrementing. Suppose if these two characters are not matched with these, then immediately you can return false. Here stack trace is not required. So consider this, the given string is nothing but like this. Sir, what about I? I is nothing but starting location 0. Sir, what about j? Sir, length minus 1. What is the length? 2. 2 minus 1 means 1. Now, is I value is greater than j? Sir, this is I and this is j. Is 0 is greater than 1? No, condition is not true, sir. Then yes dot char out of 0th location. Sir, yes, it is closed parenthesis. Sir, it is open parenthesis. Yes. Now return, sir, I plus 1. That means now I will become 1. Sir, j minus 1. J will become 0. Now, sir, is I greater than j? Yes, condition true. Return true. Yes, it is balanced. Suppose if you take like this, sir, this is 0th location, this is the first location. So I is 0 is greater than 1, condition is false. Okay, sir, now s dot char at of I is open parenthesis, correct. S dot char at of I, j is closed parenthesis, no. Sir, one condition is true, another condition is false, return false. So it is not parenthesis, valid parenthesis. Okay, like this it is going to be done. Okay, so hope only parenthesis balancing I am taking, sir. Beyond that, nothing. Okay, now let us cross check by supplying various inputs. But here we need to pass two parameters. What is the first parameter? 0. 0, right? Second parameter, length minus 1 as usual. Let me run this code. Boolean cannot be converted into string. Sir, here we are returning true or false, right? Let me replace the return type as Boolean. So the output what we are going to get is true or false. Sir, I am taking the string like this. Yes, it is the valid string. Sir, is it valid? No. Sir, now is it valid? Yes. Now is it valid? No. Okay, like this, sir, nesting of parentheses is valid or not, we are going to check. Okay, sir, only parentheses, the two in pair with nesting. Sir, do you have any doubts up to this, friends? Please confirm. Yeah, that is not valid, Ajit. That's what I have used the word called nesting. That's why I have used the word called nesting. Nesting means one parenthesis inside another parenthesis, like that. Okay. Best editor. Ah, yeah, correct. Chaitanya is telling best program. Yes, because in our program, whenever you are taking open parenthesis, automatically it is taking closed parenthesis, right? So I think even for this, correct. Okay. So this one, correct. Ajit is telling something. What is that, Neeraj? Right. Maybe with one small string program, I will conclude this. So what is that string program here is? So 18th program. Good, good. So implement a program to count, okay, Sir, to count number of times the given character, number of times the given character occurs. Okay. Sir, how many times the given character is occurred, we have to find out, sir, by using recursion. So same logic only. Okay. See, what I'm going to do here is new string. Otherwise, let me take a count function. Sir, I am passing the string. Okay, I'm going to pass the string. At the same time, let me take length as n minus 1. Anything you can take, no problem. Sir, now as of now, tentatively I'm going to take return type as integer. Listen carefully. Sir, count function is there. Okay, so which is taking index value. Sir, now which character I am going to search is, let me take X. Okay, let me take X. Okay. Sir, now what we have to do? What we have to do? Sir, very simple. First, we have to check is your index value is less than 0. If index value is less than 0, the expected return type is integer. So return 0, because that 0, if you add also, it won't be countable. Sir, now yes dot char at of the given index. If the given character is equal to X, let us consider. Then what we have to do? Return. Okay, we have to return 1 plus sir, count of same yes value we have to take index minus 1. That 1 will be added into the stack. Now you can add either 1 plus count function or count function plus 1. Here nothing is matter, because that 1 will be stored. In which direction it will be stored, it is not required for us. Suppose if it is not a given character, then what we have to do? We are not going to add 1. Just we are going to count s comma index minus. So how it is going to iterate? I think you got the clarity. Okay. Abhishek, he is telling. So he has given some message. Please, I request everyone to please read this question. Okay. Sir, count all the characters in a string by using recursion. Asked this code in interview. Okay. If it is the case, what we have to do? We need to remove this one. We have to remove this one. It is going to count all the characters. That's all right. So if you want a specified character, take that character here. If you want all the vowels, then so by combining with or operator, you can take all the vowels. Vowels alone will be counted. Sir, vowels you should not count means take this, remove this one here and add here. If you want only special characters, so take the alphabet. That set, if it is there, then you have to ignore. Otherwise, you have to count. Like you can do miracles, man. Once if you got one small conclusion, rest of the things will become very easy. Now let me check, is it going to work or not? Sir, now I am running the program. Okay. Sir, I am taking ABC. 0 characters are there. Sir, AX, BX, how many characters? 2 characters. Sir, can we write the program to count only vowels? Then what we have to do? Sir, this condition is the same. Just I am putting in a comment. This condition is the same. What we have to do? Sir, here A, okay, or sir, we have to take EIOU. Sir, AE, okay. So I, sir, O, U. Like this you need to take. Sir, will it works? Let me check. Sir, I am giving input as welcome. Yes, perfectly it is going to return 3 characters. Okay. Sir, now, yeah. Sir, now I think we can replace this like this also. Okay. Sir, yes dot. Okay. Yes dot. No, I think we have to check individual characters only. Okay. Yeah, you can ask the user to give the character also. Nothing is there. You can ask. So if yes dot char at of the given index is equal to some character which is given by the user. So here, in addition to string, you have to take that character also as a input. Okay, but every time in the recursion, in addition to that string integer, you have to pass that character also, right? Because function mismatch will happen. And here we have to pass that character. Maybe consider I want to check for A. Okay, I want to check for A. Okay, just here I am giving directly, sir, but while writing the program, you can read from the user. Okay, Sir, now I'm taking Prakash. Sir, how many times A is there? 2 times. Sir, now I'm taking welcome. How many times A is there? 0 times. Like this we can do. Okay. So I think how you can able to play with strings with the help of recursion. So I think you can solve any kind of programs which can be solvable by using recursion, right? You got the confidence or not? I request everyone to please confirm. Yes. So if anyone wants to speak about this recursion, number related programs, string related programs, you can speak. I have given the permission. So I think you are in a position to write the program on recursion. If you have given any number related conversions, how you can able to do. If you have got any string, how you can able to manipulate with this. So this number string combination with recursion, I think you got very full-fledged clarity, sir, right? Good, good, good. Yes. Have you seen these many these many recursion programs? So maybe some people are going to feel recursion is very difficult task, sir. Recursion is a very difficult programming. Sir, maybe one or two programs will be there with the help of recursion. I think now you got the clarity about what is recursion, how depth it is. Still, if you want, you can spend 1 year course on recursion also. We can collect various programs, we can work out and we can deliver. But it is sufficient. Few more programs, 2 days, another 2 days I'm going to spend, okay, on recursion, then we will wind up. Okay. Yes, lots of questions will be there. Yes, correct. Yeah, yeah. One of our student posted this message, so I'm happy for this message. Okay, have a look once. Sir, compared to loops, recursion is very easy. Huh? Right. Recursion is nothing but very very important, but with compared to loops, recursion is very easy if and only if base condition is very strong, right? So if you construct a 100 floors building with the full basement, nothing will happen. Without basement, is it possible to construct? No. So that's why understanding where it is going to be stopped, that is very very important. Okay. So how you will look? Do you have any photo with you in pic or somewhere or in PC or somewhere else? Yeah, yeah. I will show you my photo. Maybe Monday. Don't worry. In my PC, it is not there. Yeah, yeah. Vishal sir, I will spend complexities, sir, because here confusion will be there.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, definitely I will spend more time on this calculation part.
Sure, sure.
Yeah, Rohit, possibly as of now, I'm not going to give any assignments. We will see once if I got time to prepare, I will prepare some programs on recursion and then I will send. Okay, don't worry. Yeah, right. Excellent, excellent, Chaitanya. Good, good. Chaitanya is dropping one message. Good, good. Yeah, thank you, Vishal sir. Thank you. So my passion is towards teaching, sir. That's why I will first enjoy and then I will explain clearly for the students. Right. Thank you, friends. So that's all about today's session. Sir, tomorrow and the day after tomorrow, we don't have any classes as usual, Saturday, Sunday. So the next class will be on Monday. Okay. And please be prepared for the November 1st weekend. We are going to have a session on Saturday for 2 hours. Please be prepared next Saturday. Okay. Next Saturday. 2 hours
On
I am going to take.
on recursion, sorry, on
Yeah.
complexity, right? Time
No, 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 no.
complex.
No, no. This class is not related to time complexity. This is our regular class.
Okay, fine, fine.
Complexities I have not covered for 5 p.m. batch. I remember that. So this week I'm planning to move to Bangalore. So next week I will definitely. Okay.
Oh,
So
Bangalore to where?
Oh, just a minute. I will stop recording.